Kisses, Rivet.
Oh, Rivet, right here.
Hey. She's oh yeah, that's mine.
Oh yeah, it's all mine.
Whatever, Mr. Boyfriend, that's mine. Where'd he go?
In all fairness, the ball came first.
Where'd he go? Here he comes. Here he comes. Hey, Rivet. 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 Look. Oh, come on. Here, let me get that. Give me that ball. She's not a chance. He might get it. Where's the other one? Oh, here he comes. Come on. Hey, Murphy. There you go. Murphy. Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Oh, of course he had to turn away.
Hey. Hey, guys. Come on. Couple skate. Couple skate. Okay.
Oh, you like that?
You guys ready? Hey, Murphy. Hi, Murphy. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, let's go. Let's get that ball. Get that ball. Oh, hey. She got it first, didn't she?
Hey, come on. Murphy. Murphy.
Hey. She's tricky, Murphy. You gotta watch her. Seriously. Hey. Sit down straight. Hey. You wanna share? You wanna be a good girl?
Where's this? I gotta get down to the car. No worries, we'll get some time. It only takes about 15 minutes or 10 minutes to get there, so we have like half an hour before we need to go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you being all good?
The moms and the kids are all like, and the camera's like, okay, fine, we'll be over here.
Yeah. We're like not paying attention to the boys at all.
Nope.
They don't exist right now. Oh, okay.
That's good.
Oh, good.
You ready, Rivet? Go get it.
Get out of my way.
Rivet, where are you, sweetie? There we go.
He just doesn't know how to act yet. He's all crazy.
You awkward around girls, Mr. Murphy.
Just a little bit.
I got no nut.
I pooped.
Yeah. Showing off, Murphy. You got the zooms or something. You got the zooms?
Murphy.
She likes to try to play with multiple toys at once.
Apparently,
that's her thing. And she'll sometimes fling the ball around with that stuffed toy. Like, she'll throw it for herself. It's really funny. It's like she'll play.
Myself, I'm so cool.
Exactly. Yeah, see? She's kind of... Murph's like, I'm going to pee in your bed. Or not. There you go. Hey. There's your ball. There's your ball. There's your ball. You want to play tug of war or something? Oh, goodness, Rivet.
Murphy, come here.
Oh,
the ball. Come here. Go get it. Go get it, Murphy. Go get it. That's a good boy. Aw, Murph.
I would have beat him with it.
Yeah.
Hey, guys. There we go. What's he doing? He's going to come back, huh? See? There you go.
Hey, I just have the camera.
And stop to get gas real quick.
You can get him. You can run that fast. You can run faster. There you go. Huh? What you doing?
He's like, get out of my butt. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gonna take his shirt? You gonna take his shirt?
She's like, that shirt would look cute on me.
Yeah. You like his shirt?
Oh, goodness. Goodness. He's like, that's my shirt.
Just fall?
Totally. I'm afraid if anybody watches this, they're going to get seasick. Oh, you get him there. You